How to sync Zoho Calendar with Outlook. In this video, I'll show you how to sync Zoho Calendar with Outlook. So to get started, go ahead and open Zoho Calendar into your preferred browser. Go ahead and sign in to your Zoho account, and then once you're in here, go ahead and click on the settings icon at the right side of the My Calendar section. Now, once you're on the settings of your Zoho calendar, go ahead and click on My Calendars, which you'll find in between App Calendars and Import or Export. And here, go ahead and scroll down and then set the public access to view event details, and then copy the link under iCal, and then open Outlook, and then on Outlook, go ahead and click on Add Calendar, which you'll find at the left side, and then click on this Subscribe from Web, and then paste the calendar iCal that you've got from your Zoho calendar. Name this calendar as Zoho, set the color, the charm, and then click on import. Now, once you have imported this calendar into your Outlook calendar, all of the events that you've added on your Zoho calendar would appear as well into your Outlook calendar. And that is how you can basically sync Zoho calendar with Outlook. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.